Here are 6 USMLE-style questions focused on Staphylococcus aureus, including detailed explanations for correct and incorrect choices. Question 1. A 24-year-old woman presents with fever, diffuse rash, hypotension, and desquamation of the palms and soles after prolonged tampon use. Labs show elevated AST and ALT. What is the most likely mechanism responsible for her symptoms? A. Binding of MHC2 to TCR outside antigen site. B. Endotoxin activation of TLR4C, inhibition of GABA release. D. Activation of adenylate cyclase by EF toxin. E. Inhibition of EF2 by ADP ribosylation. Answer A. Binding of MHC2 to TCR outside antigen site. Explanation. TSST1 is a superantigen from S. aureus that causes massive cytokine release toxic shock. B equals LPS mechanism, gram-negative endotoxin. C equals Clostridium tetani toxin mechanism, G. Bacillus anthracis mechanism, E. Corynebacterium diphtheria mechanism. Question 2. A 3-year-old child develops vomiting and watery diarrhea 3 hours after eating potato salad at a picnic. Which of the following best explains the pathogenesis? A. Ingestion of bacterial spores. B. Preformed heat-stable enterotoxin. C. Toxin-mediated inhibition of protein synthesis. D. Invasion of intestinal mucosa. E. Heat labile enterotoxin from E. coli. Answer B. Preformed heat-stable enterotoxin. Explanation. S. aureus food poisoning has a rapid onset, 2 to 6 hours, due to ingestion of heat-stable enterotoxin. A equals incorrect, seen in Clostridium botulinum. C equals incorrect, diphtheria toxin. D equals incorrect, Shigella. C equals incorrect, has a longer incubation period. Question 3. Which of the following factors contributes most directly to S. aureus evasion of opsonization and phagocytosis? A. Coagulase. B. Catalase. C. Protein A. D. Enterotoxin. E. Hemolysin. Answer C. Explanation. Protein A binds the Fc portion of IgG, blocks opsonization and phagocytosis. A equals promotes abscess formation via fibrin clot. B breaks down H2O2. Less critical in immune evasion. D equals causes food poisoning. E equals damages host cells, not immune evasion specifically. Question 4. Which of the following mechanisms is responsible for methicillin resistance in Staphylococcus aureus? A. Efflux pumps. B. Beta-lactamase production. C. Mutations in DNA gyrase. D. Altered penicillin binding protein. E. Porin mutation. Answer D. Altered penicillin binding protein. Explanation. MEK-A gene codes for PBP2A, which has low affinity for beta-lactam MRSA. A. Equals common in gram-negatives, also seen but not the primary MRSA mechanism. C. Fluoroquinolone resistance. Question 5. A 66-year-old man develops fever and murmur after dental surgery. Blood culture grows catalase positive, coagulase positive Chi. Which complication is most likely? A. Abscess in liver. B. Pulmonary embolism. C. Biliary obstruction. D. Rheumatic fever. E. Membranous glomerulonephritis. Answer A. Abscess in liver. Explanation. S. aureus can hematogenously seed the liver or other organs' abscess formation. B equals more common in DVT or tricuspid endocarditis. C equals unrelated to staph infection. D equals post-streptococcal complication. E also post-streptococcal. Question 6. Which of the following is most likely to show beta hemolysis on blood agar and be positive for catalase and coagulase? Streptococcus pyogenes. B. Streptococcus agalactiae. C. Staphylococcus epidermidis. D. Listeria monocytogenes. E. Staphylococcus aureus. Answer E. Staphylococcus aureus. Explanation. S. aureus is catalase positive, coagulase positive, and B hemolytic. A. B equals B hemolytic but catalase negative. C equals coagulase negative. D equals B hemolytic but not catalase positive cocci.